Hello, Flying Fox and Bambi Productions here. I could be doing, today is my 13th birthday, so now I'm gonna be doing a review on a train set which I got for my birthday. It's a really cool set. It's this thing. The Rail King, Essential, I don't know, classical train set. Come on, camera, focus. See, I'll just give you a good view of it. Just wait a sec. This is how big this train set is. I mean, it's so big, isn't it? So I'm just gonna like review the engines or wagons and the things on this thing. Okay, so the first one I'm gonna review is the locomotive and the tender. Look at the detail on this engine. Number 42001, Railroad Dignity Train. Railroad. Just look at this. Look at that engine. Doesn't he look just so fantastic? So actually, and there is this cable that's attached to the tender. So just open up the tender because you have to put the batteries into the tender instead of the engine. It requires 4 AA batteries to it. Also, this feature of this engine actually blows out steam from the funnel. It's just so cool about it blowing steam from the funnel. So, sorry about that. So, yeah, here's the engine. Here's the side rods, the wheels, the tender, the engine wind deflectors, the lamp. Actually, the line shines up, and it does make those generic train sound shifts we heard 1 million times in toy trains. But actually, you'll see how this is such a. Also, this is actually a very cheap toy. I mean, really, this is a very cheap toy train set. It's really, it kind of looks like a Lionel train set, but like the cheapest version of it. Just look how great this toy is. See, you can see the smoke coming out from the funnel, and the lamps. Look at the steam. And you can see the pistons moving the side rods. Really, it's just so cool. This is actually the best toy train ever. And also when you see like the smoke, then you can feel the smell. Like there's like a smell of the steam. And also, yeah, but the reason how can the steam, because you can see that on the tender. I don't know if that actually is, I know nothing about this set. You can see that thing, wait, just this thing on the tender at white. I think that's the one which actually makes the steam go into the locomotive. Now the next thing is that freight wagon, green foliage. Well, this is like the only freight wagon in this train set, since the others are just the same, passenger wagons. So, all of those wagons are the same. See, it says GWR, Great Western Railway, and this one's same, and this one's same too. So yeah, now that we've done with the engine and rolling stock, let's move on to the actual set. So you can see I just made how the basic one is supposed to be like. That it has the it has those tracks, those switch crosses, the crisscross track. It has the station, some trees, some signs, billboards, and a basic house switch. But there's only one switch track which kind of just doesn't work that much, being this one. The fact like when I just like make it, then it just sometimes just pops out like this and makes it go straight instead of just turning it. But I don't mind it, because it's not even happening that often. You know, I actually just got it today. So, I'm just gonna give you a little run and just, first of all, just put the thing on the tracks. Okay, so I put them on the tracks. Well, except for these two wagons, because I don't even need them. So yeah, but so let's just give it a little run and see how it goes. So let's turn this train on. Let's do this. Yeah, so that is it for my review of my most fantastic train set ever. The Rail King Steve train set. So, and also another thing. Wait, I'm just gonna show you about. You think that this engine over here, my super retro train, will fit on the tracks on this, but actually it doesn't. It does not even fit. Because, the tracks, they are just. Oh, it just. No, it doesn't. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this review and please subscribe to my channel because, it means so much to me. For the ones who. Just please, I just want more subscribers, it'll keep my channel alive and all this. So, I hope you, and I'll make more videos soon, and have a nice day. Bye.